Sing.
Despacito, fueron a nadar, el más pequeño fue por el mar, y un tiburón le dijo ven acá, ven para acá, y no, porque es no a mi mamá.
Yay. Now can you sing Ping Pong?
Pimpón es un muñeco, muy guapo del cartón, se lava sus manitas con agua y con jabón, se desenredan. Con cuidado, parece un policial.
Good job. How about Susanita?
Susanita tiene un botón, un chalo los pies y sueña textura de turón y cuando estás a mí, duerme cerca me queda jajón, un chalo los pies.
Very good. One other song. What other song do you want to sing?
Pim,
Pimple?
no,
Hola, hola?
no,
What do you want to sing?
tres,
Huh?
tres,
Ra, ra?
tres petitas, tres princesas, ran.
What about Los Pollitos?
Los países dicen pío, pío, pío cuando tienen hambre, cuando tienen frío.
La gallina.
Gusta el maíz en triga, les da la comida y de resta rico.
Yay. Do you want to sing Elefantes?
No,
Okay. Do you want to sing anything else?
yeah.
Who? I mean, what?
Lions,
Do you know a song about lions?
yeah.
What song? Sing it.
That the lions eat lions eat lions eat, what lions eat grass, hoppers eat grass.
That's a very good song. I like it.
Now,
Now what?
tigers,
Tigers? What about tigers?
what for tigers would jump,
They jump, yeah.
lumpies jump, eat.
Lumpies jump, yeah. Heffalumps. What else?
Poo jump,
Pooh jumps?
no.
No.
Other kangaroo jumps.
Other kangaroos jump, yeah. What else jumps?
Rabbit.
That's right. What do rabbits do?
Eat the carrots.
Eat the carrots. What else do they do? How do they go? Yes. What do you eat?
Lunch.
You eat lunch. What else?
Goldfish.
Yes, you do like a goldfish. What else?
Broccoli.
You like broccoli?
Yeah.
That's good. What else? Tell me what you ate today.
Peanut butter.
You don't like peanut butter, do you?
Yeah.
You do?
Jelly.
Oh yeah, you like jelly. What did you eat for lunch today?
Spaghetti.
Mhm.
I don't need my spaghetti.
I know. Why
Put
didn't
it on your arm.
Yeah, you can put that sticker on my arm.
And the other sticker on your arm.
Sure.
And your other arm.
Oh, my other arm. Okay. Here. Here. What's your favorite color? Tana?
That.
What's your favorite color? You're too focused. You tell me a story.
White. I want white.
Oh, you like white?
Yeah.
Will you tell me a story about butterflies and sheep?
Yeah.
How does it go?
I want to go.
You want to go where?
Tell you a story about your ear. About your ear. About your ear.
You want to tell me a story about my ear?
Yeah.
Well, what about it? Tell me.
Story about your ear. Story about your ear.
Well, what did it do? Did it hear you?
This time, sheep's butterfly.
Oh, you wanted to tell a story in my ear. Okay, whisper. Whisper.
This
Oh.
living
Oh.
and ready.
I like that story.
Mano.
What about your mono?
This is time. Now tell me a story.
I like your stories.
Tell me a story. Tell me a story.
What do you want to hear about?
Sheep.
Sheep and what else?
Butterflies.
What's the sheep's name? Myra.
Myra.
What's the butterfly's name?
Maria. Huh?
Mika. Mika, remember?
Yeah.
What's the butterfly's name?
Nika.
Mika, yeah.
Again. What you got on your arm?
Stickers you put there.
Let's see him. Let's see him.
Ouchie. All right, Bug. What else do you have to say? Anything?
No.
What'd you do at school today? What did you do at school? Was it cold outside?
Yeah. He put it on that.
No, don't put it on that.
Put it on that.
No, don't put it on that.
On the other way.
No, don't put it on the other way.
On the other way. On the other way.
All right.